Good morning everybody and happy Wednesday. I hope you're all feeling well today. Today's activities are going to be as follows. So number one, for English, I would like you to look on Seesaw at activities, and there is a new reading activity on there for you to do about a female scientist called Joan Proctor. So I'd like you to have a read of the text and then answer the questions. If you've completed all the questions you'd like a little extension to do, there's also one on there for you to have a little look at. When you've done that, I'd also like you to do some free reading today. So I'd like you to do 15 minutes of free reading on Oxford Reading Buddy. You can choose any book that you would like to read. All I ask is please could you film yourself reading for 1 minute from Oxford Reading Buddy. Or something else if you would like. If you've got Oxford Reading Buddy on your iPad and you can't read and film at the same time, you can read me something else for that 1 minute. Your second task today for maths, I'd like you to log on to Doodle Maths, and in the extras section there is an activity set for you to do called solving problems using scaling. So that's using what you've been doing over the last couple of days in our maths tasks. So have a little go at that. You can screenshot the result once you've completed it and upload that to Seesaw. Then, before you come off Doodle Maths today, please could you do your daily task, screenshot the result and upload that to Seesaw too. Number 3 today is science. So year 3 we're continuing our plants topic, and today you're going to go into Oak National Academy and learn about the parts and functions of a flower. So yesterday you were looking at the parts and functions of plants, today it's going to be about flowers specifically, so you can see what's the same, what's different, and build on that knowledge that you gained yesterday. Year 4 you're going to continue your sound topic for science, and today you're going to look at volume. There is an activity on Seesaw for you to do and then a little investigation as well. Your fourth and last activity today is for arts and computing. There is a doodling task, so it's not doodle maths or English, doodling. It's where you have your pencil or pen and you let it go on a little journey. There is a tutorial video on Seesaw to explain how to do it. You can do that if you've got some spare paper, or you could do it in your green book that was in your pack. But it's best done with a pencil or a pen on an actual piece of paper rather than on your iPads. But if you haven't got any of those things, you can use your iPad as well. It'd be lovely if you could take a picture of that piece of work once it's completed and upload it to Seesaw. Okay, quick reminder of today's tasks. Number 1 is English. You're going to do the Joan Proctor reading activity that's on Seesaw and then do 15 minutes of free reading on Oxford Reading Buddy. I'd also like you to film yourselves reading for 1 minute today, so I understand it'd be difficult to do that if you're reading on your iPad, so you can choose something else to read for that. Number 2 today is maths, so you're going to go into Doodle Maths and do the solving problems using scaling task and then do your Doodle Maths daily task. Number 3 today is science. Year 3 you're going to go into Oak National Academy and do the what are the parts and functions of a flower lesson. Year 4 you're going to move on to what volume is. You've got a Seesaw activity and investigation to complete for that. And then your last activity today is for art. You're going to do a doodling art piece of work, and the tutorial for that is on Seesaw. Okay, look forward to seeing what you get up to today. Any questions, just ask. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.